G'day. Are you interested in learning about the latest and greatest cutting-edge technologies in agriculture from around the world? Do you want to find out about how you can implement those technologies into your own farming operations in India? If so, then I highly recommend that you attend Agriplast Technology Vision 2030, which is being hosted in Bangalore on August the 10th. I'll be there presenting our groundbreaking product Solar Shrink, which is a new concept in plastic mulch films. I'm Rob Trenchard and I'm the founder of Solar Shrink. And for the past 2 decades, I've worked in the field of agricultural plastics. And the creation of our Solar Shrink mulch film represents the culmination of those 2 decades of experience and efforts. I'm from Australia and this product's already widely used here. It's also been launched into the USA and very shortly will be supplied all around the world. If you want to learn about the benefits that come from using a product like Solar Shrink and how it's going to be applied to the Indian market and why it represents the future of mulch films globally, then I definitely recommend that you attend this conference. It's going to be not only really informative, but it's also going to be very entertaining. Together we can embrace innovation that comes out of this and really launch India's agricultural sector into the future. If that sounds good, then buy your tickets today for Agriplast Technology Vision 2030. As I said, it's being hosted in Bangalore on August the 10th, and I look forward to seeing you there.